Understanding, adapt to changes, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and important phrase in English: adapt to changes. This phrase is not only widely used but also embodies a concept that's crucial in both personal and professional life. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means to adapt to changes. Adapt to changes is a phrase made up of two key components: adapt and changes. Let's break them down. Adapt. This verb means to adjust or modify oneself to suit a new or different condition. Changes. This noun refers to the act or process of becoming different. When we combine these words, the phrase, adapt to changes, suggests altering or adjusting oneself in response to varying situations or environments. Adapting to changes is a crucial skill in life. It is important because it helps us cope with new situations. It allows us to grow and learn from different experiences. It is essential in today's fast-paced world where change is constant. Understanding and embracing this phrase can help us navigate through life's uncertainties with more resilience and flexibility. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday contexts. 1. In personal life. If you move to a new city, you might have to adapt to changes like different cultures, new people, and unfamiliar surroundings. 2. In professional life. In a job, adapting to changes could mean learning new skills or adjusting to a different work environment or new technologies. These examples show how this phrase is applicable in various aspects of life. Adapting to changes can be challenging, but here are some tips to make it easier. Stay open-minded. Be willing to learn and accept new ideas. Be flexible. Flexibility allows you to adjust more easily to new situations. Seek support. Sometimes, talking to friends or colleagues can help in adapting to a new environment. Remember, adapting to changes is a skill that gets better with practice. And that's a wrap on our topic: adapt to changes. I hope this video has shed light on the importance of this phrase and how it applies to various aspects of our lives. Keep practicing and remember, being adaptable is a key to success in any field. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.